This is the Nilfisk Core 130 power control, and in this video I'm going to go through a quick demonstration and reveal everything that you need to know about this machine. The Nilfisk Core 130 power control is the mid-range model with the added benefit of being able to adjust the pressure to suit your needs. This model features a maximum pump pressure of 130 bar with a flow rate of 460 litres per hour and benefits from a durable metal pump for a longer lifespan. The Core 130 comes with a 6 metre Ultraflex hose with intelligent storage, plus a lightweight and portable design that also comes with quick connection for the hose, lance and nozzles, making storing it away an easy task. So now you understand all the technical specification behind the Core 130, it's time to see what comes with this package. This pressure washer comes with a chemical bottle, 2 nozzles, one for light cleaning and one for heavy duty use. You also get a high quality lance with a swivel function, plus attachable wheels and handles. The Core 130 will easily be able to tackle those tasks such as car cleaning and patio cleaning, but that's not all. You will find a whole range of accessories that fit onto the entire Core range, and these can be found by visiting Cleanstore.co.uk.